In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand new Facebook ads account in a couple of easy to follow steps. Now, I did want to let you know that in the description, I have a comprehensive guide that goes over beginner-friendly tips that I would suggest taking a look at if you have some time, just to make sure when you create the account, you do it the first time around with no issues, so you don't have to waste your time making a second or third account. But with that being said, we'll jump right into it. So as we work on creating a brand new Facebook ads account, we want to make sure we're going to the correct website, which is going to be business.facebook.com. So we're going to enter that, and it's going to go to your primary page if you have one. If not, then it's probably going to prompt you to create a brand new page. So we want to make sure we're looking at the left side of the navigation bar, ensure that the correct page is selected for whichever account we want to make an ads account for. And then we're going to go down to settings. As we head over to settings, some of these tabs may be closed. So we want to ensure that we're opening up the accounts tab, and then it should give you the option for add accounts. In this view, it's going to show time zone, and then same thing with currency, just so you can measure your overall ROI as you run meta ads. And then we're just going to act that we're the primary business owner here. So we'll just leave my business. And this is the last piece of it. Really, it's just accepting the terms, making sure everything looks good. You have it under the correct business portfolio, and then you just click on create ad account, and that's it. Now you have a brand new Facebook ads account. You're ready to go. You'll just have to build some campaigns, and then once you have that going, you'll be live with your brand new Facebook ads.